we're here today now to interview a couple of our students who participated in the Big Bad Wolf. And we're going to talk about how they felt they could identify with this role and the different aspects of it. And we're going to start off with the question, the first question, which is, what did you learn? Okay?
Okay, I learned that the order that things happen in a courtroom, like first the lawyers come in, then the judge comes in. Okay? Then I also learned that things don't always come out the way you think they will at the beginning.
I learned how our court system works and that things don't come out like what he said, because I thought that the wolf would be guilty, but he really turned out not to be.
Well, I learned how the court system works because I had no idea how it actually worked before, and that, like, the order they came in and everything. And I also learned all the roles played in the court. Like, I didn't know they had two lawyers for each side and all these witnesses and everything, so it was fun to learn what was in the court.
Just as Emily said, that I never knew that there were two lawyers for each side. I always thought there was one, and I learned how to make an opening statement, talk a little slower, and how to shorten questions so you can get as much as you want, even for long questions. The easiest thing for me was asking questions, because I'm not very good at making like the opening statement and closing statement. Asking questions was kind of very easy for me. It like slid off my tongue.
I thought it was easy for me to memorize my part as Eve because it was really simple for me to memorize all the things that Eve did because it was really interesting. And also, it was easy for me to answer the questions that the lawyers asked me because the questions were pretty easy and simple, and I just learned my part well. So.
I'm going to skip down to asking you what you think that is very important in school that would teach you how to be a lawyer.
Well, I think that in language arts, it's questioning and thinking skills, because you need to know how to be able to ask good questions that might stump the witness.
I think you have to have lots of evidence by reading it over again what all your facts are, because if you say something that's not true, you'll be in big trouble. So
well, I think you have to learn lots of thinking skills. Like, you gave us a big question mark with all these thinking skills, and so the lawyers must have used those to make their questions. So I think you need to learn lots of different kinds of ways to think and ask questions, so not all your questions are the same.
Yeah, because you have to use different analysis, knowledge, synthesis. Well, as a lawyer, I actually use a question mark for my questions. I mostly use knowledge questions and analysis questions.
Okay, let's see. Let's think about, is there anything else any of you would like to add that you liked about this, or that you felt you would like to try this in the future?
Yes, because I want to be a lawyer when I grow up. I love the competitive bond between the both lawyer teams.
Well, so even Mr. Mosier had jury duty, and he said it wasn't that fun, but I think it'd be lots of fun because our court case is fun. So I'd actually like to go to a court and try out being a witness or helping.
I think it'd be really fun to go and be a jury or the judge, because it's really interesting to see who did what. I like mysterious stuff, so I like murder cases and all. So I just want to know what happens.
I think I actually might like to be a juror, because I get to help make the final verdict.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Very nice job, and good luck with becoming a lawyer.